Bakwethu njengamanje eduze kwami ngiphethe ubhuti uNhlanhla Mdlalo sesimazi kakhulu kumabona kude lapha kwesibaya ukhona nami kweminye imidlalo ngakozone 14 udlalile nje imidlalo eminingi kakhulu obomunye futhi wabangane bakaSifiso Ncwane sifisa nje ukuzwa qaphu ukuthi ube njani kuyena lo 7 years uSifiso Ncwane engasekho eduze kwakhe sinjani isimo sempilo ngokomoya kakhulukazi ngoba manizwana nabangani into esukila enhlezweni nokuzwana.
Hey mfowethu, impilo ngaphandle kaSifiso ayikho lula ke. Mina Sifiso was my best friend. Yabo besikhuluma yonke into neSifiso, yonke into ongayicabanga yonke. Besikhuluma yonke into. But above all besikhuleka kakhulu. Yabo uSifiso he played a role of being a brother, of being a friend, of being a pastor. He used to wear many hats, you understand? Because la ngikhona njengamanje nginokufeel ukuthi I need someone like uSifiso, you understand? Kuneyikhathi nasemsebenzini wethu it's a pity ukuthi uSifiso azange angibone sengenza izinto ezinkulu ku TV. He just prophesied, you understand, ukuthi I see you Mdlalosi ubamba imic e-stadium yabo abantu balalele wena, you understand? uSifiso mina wangithola ngingelutho, he believed in me. Wathi Mdlalosi uzohamba nami la ngihamba khona, you understand? He believed in me. Wabona into nami engingayiboni kimi. Yabo wathi Mdlalosi you are a good communicator with people they love you, you are a people's person, you understand? Let's just take this and make it an advantage for you ukuthi ukwazi uqhubekela phambili. Yabo so nje siyabonga, we are celebrating his life after 8 years. We are celebrating his life namhlanje. Ungathi njoba sikhuluma uSifiso ngathi ushona izolo isikhathi njengoba usho ukuthi sekuyisikhathi, but siyambonga nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi sonke sekuyizinto zethu we are scattered because of amatoho, kodwa sikwazile ukwenza isikhathi sizohlangana la. Sambonga uNkulunkulu ngalokho. Above all ngibonga unkosikazi wakhe, abafazi bethu uyabazi manje after 7 years, after 8 years, kodwa ukwazile ukuthi hey, let me just remember uSifiso, ngihlanganisa abangani bakhe sikhonze sonke, we understand? Omunye umuntu it's not an easy thing ukubambelela entweni yomuntu owumthanda futhi, we understand, ngoba they say time heals, we understand? So omunye umuntu ngathi ngivusela amanxeba ngokwenza lento, but siyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi sihlanganise namhlanje.
Asibonge kakhulu, ube nobusuku obuhle.